Earlier this morning, Aidoc announced that Dr. Jesse Ehrenfeld, former president of the American Medical Association, is joining the company as its global chief medical officer. Dr. Jesse Ehrenfeld joins me now with more. Doctor, good morning. Great to see you, joining us live from Las Vegas. Bright and early out there, so we appreciate it. Why did you choose to join Aidoc now?
Look, I joined Aidoc because while policy is essential, I realized it alone cannot fix the systemic collapse of our profession. The physician shortages, the staggering burnout, and the death by 1,000 clicks that define modern practice. My mission at Aidoc is to move us beyond having passive technology to pioneer a new standard of clinical quality and clinical care, patient safety, using AI tools to orchestrate complex care workflows so that we ensure that no critical finding can fall through the cracks, transforming technology into a trusted force multiplier that can protect patients, you, me, my mother, my children, and restore physician capacity.
Well, Aidoc talks about agentic AI, a theme that we hear about a lot here on our show. How is this different from the AI that we already know?
Look, traditional AI is a sensor, but it's sitting in a silo. Agentic AI is a digital conductor that autonomously plans and executes tasks. And if you have a brain bleed, the AI doesn't just wait for a human to find the file, open it, detect it. It identifies the bleed in seconds, autonomously alerts the relevant specialists, like the neurosurgeon, who can solve the problem. And it bridges the gap between imaging, the electronic health record, removing the diagnostic friction that unfortunately typically slows down patient care. And it's a way that you can provide consistent 24/7 safety so that if you show up at 3 a.m., you get the same rapid, high standard diagnostic oversight as somebody who shows up during the peak daylight hours.
What is your primary objective as global CMO of Aidoc?
It's pretty simple. It's to serve as the leading clinical voice for Aidoc, bridging the gap between really groundbreaking technology in the global healthcare community. And I'm responsible for shaping and articulating the clinical value of our solutions and establishing Aidoc really as the definitive AI partner for health systems. And I'm really excited to partner with policymaking bodies and regulators to help define what are the new guidelines for AI-enabled care pathways to ensure that the medical community is prepared for technology-driven workflow shifts.
How does the Aidoc AIOS platform provide value to healthcare systems?
Look, most of our healthcare systems are seeing positive ROI in 3 to 6 months. They're identifying treatable conditions, they're dropping length of stay. And the platform, AIOS, analyzes and aggregates medical data to help care teams, clinicians, operationalize the unexpected across multiple service lines. So what we've done is we've helped now more than 1,600 hospitals move from having an individual point solution towards having a comprehensive enterprise-wide clinical AI strategy.
How do you address concerns regarding AI safety and clinical rigor in this space?
Well, we've got the most FDA-cleared computer-aided detection solutions on the market today. Our goal is for AI to be a force multiplier for physician capacity, not to distract or become a replacement for human judgment. And to date, we have analyzed over 100 million patient cases. Think about that, reflecting the rigor required to deploy clinical AI safely and at scale.
What's a foundation model, and why do you think it's a game changer for physicians in your company?
Look, foundation models are large-scale AI models trained on vast, diverse data sets that can then be adapted to a whole variety, wide range of downstream tasks, rather than being built for a single specific function. And our model was built on 40 million CT scans. That's more than CT scans done in the entire United States in a year. For physicians, this means moving away from, again, an individual point solution to a comprehensive AI layer that understands the full clinical context of a patient. And so in radiology and beyond, what these models can do is allow us to unlock far more value from medical imaging than was ever imaginable before. We can auto-diagnose critical disease with higher precision. And we recently filed a breakthrough device submission with the FDA for a comprehensive abdomen AI solution powered by our clinical AI reasoning engine, which is going to utilize this foundation model approach.
Dr. Jesse Ehrenfeld, Global Chief Medical Officer at Aidoc, joining us from Las Vegas. Doctor, thank you.
Thank you so much.